Welcome back to our Beginner English podcast.
Hi, Emma. Hi, listeners. Today we are at the post office in English.
Yes. Today's topic is at the post office. Talking at the post office. We will learn useful phrases for sending letters, buying stamps, and asking about services.
Let's start. When you first arrive at the post office, you can say, "Hello, I'd like to send a letter, please."
Or, "Hi, I need some stamps, please."
Repeat after us. "I'd like to send a letter, please." "I need some stamps, please."
At the counter, the worker may ask, "Is it a standard or priority mail?"
You can answer, "Standard, please," or "Priority, please."
They may also ask, "What is the destination?"
You can answer, "It's to New York," or "It's to London."
Great! Let's do a short conversation at the post office. "Hello, I'd like to send a letter, please."
Sure. Is it standard or priority mail?
Priority, please.
What is the destination?
New York.
Great. That will be $5.
Here you go. Thank you.
Sometimes you want to ask about services.
You can say, "Do you have tracking? How long will delivery take? Can I send a package?"
Repeat after us. Do you have tracking? How long will delivery take? Can I send a package?
Very useful. You can also ask, "Do you have international shipping? Can I buy envelopes here?"
And you can answer, "Yes, we have them," or "No, sorry, we don't."
Let's do another conversation. "Hi, I need to send a package, please."
Of course. Is it standard or priority?
Standard, please.
What is the destination?
London.
Do you want tracking?
Yes, please.
Great. That will be $20.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
At the post office, you may also buy stamps or envelopes.
You can say, "I'd like 10 stamps, please."
Or, "Do you have large envelopes?"
And you can answer, "Yes, here you go."
Or, "No, sorry, we don't have them."
Let's do a full conversation from sending a letter to buying stamps. "Hello, I'd like to send a letter, please."
Sure. Standard or priority?
Priority, please.
What is the destination?
New York.
Do you want tracking?
Yes, please.
That will be $5.
Here you go. Thank you.
Would you like to buy stamps?
Yes, I'd like 10 stamps, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. At the post office, remember to use polite phrases. "Excuse me. Thank you. Could you help me, please? I appreciate it."
Repeat. Excuse me. Thank you. Could you help me, please? I appreciate it.
Great job, everyone. Today we learned sending letters and packages, asking about delivery, buying stamps and envelopes, polite phrases at the post office.
Very useful for everyday life and beginners.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.